Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making con mouton and I'm using the wet Sonia can. So let's get started. So to start off with, I have my pan on my stove and I put it on high heat. Once it's heated up, I put in some oil because I don't want the corn mouton to be stuck on the pan. I diced up the corn mouton in cubes just so that it's easier to fry it up. So I'm putting that on the pan here. I fried it till it became a darker color. Next up, remove the corn mouton and put it on a plate, and I put onion, garlic, and ginger in my pan, and I want to just fry it up a little bit. So the onions are cut longer, and I grated the ginger so that you don't taste the ginger in there when you're eating it. And the garlic is just diced really thinly. I've also added a little bit of water in there just so that it doesn't get burnt and that it actually cooks really well. And you want to put a lid on the pan. Once the onion, garlic, and ginger has fried up nicely, I'm putting in my diced tomatoes, some thyme, and some curry leaves. Add in some salt. Once it's all fried, all the tomato, the onions, garlic, ginger, and now I'm putting in my corn mouton. Once you've added that in, you want to mix it really nicely and then keep it on the heat for at least a minute or two and let it just marinate well together. And this is the dish. Well, thank you very much for watching, and this is a very popular Mauritian dish. It's one of my favorites actually. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you've ever tried this before. If you'd like to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook page, do so as well. I have the link down below. And again, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.